Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. This is our second video for today. Today is the 18th of December 2019. Like I stated earlier in the first video, we'll be dropping two videos today to follow up on our last two videos we dropped on 1st of December 2019, which is a bit slightly obsolete due to the broker algorithm updates. So we have to make a follow-up video. We dropped one on the second channel, so make sure you check the second channel for the strategy we dropped today, 18th December 2019. So we dropped two strategies today, so kindly watch both strategies on both channels. One was released on the first one and one released on this channel. So let's get back to the trading. Make sure you subscribe to both channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our videos. So these are the rules for this strategy, the second strategy we dropped today. So these are the rules. So we'll be using the linearly weighted moving average indicator to trade the volatility 10 index, the touch no touch strategy. So as you can see, these are the rules to set the barrier offset. This is a link to our YouTube channel, the first one and the second channel. So for new traders, to sign up for a trading account, just use this URL. This is the URL to sign up for a trading account. So all these informations will be on the video description on YouTube as well. So this is a link to our forum. Make sure you join our forum to read the written tutorials. Let's get back to the trading. So we are starting with 7-4. We'll trade 6 times. Trade 6 times. At 67 4 So I've logged into the trading platform. So after signing up for a trader account, make sure you use the webtrader to trade. So we'll open the volatility 10 index. So we're going to set this first. Go for trade number 1 after setting it up. So let me quickly set the timer counter. Set the timer counter to plug in. Okay. So okay. So begin. Okay, so let's set this to change this to touch. Then we'll click no touch. The duration remains 5 tick. Then the barrier offset, you delete this one and set it to minus 0.550. So I'll be taking 200, depends on what you have in your account. So we're going to set the indicator. You go to charts, then you go to synthetic indicator, you go open volatility 10 index. You set this, so you go to indicator. Then under the overlap studies, you look for the linearly weighted moving average. This is the overlap study. Just scroll down. Linearly weighted moving average. That's it. You click on it. You scroll down and click on OK. So it's going to be the tiny line down. So let's set this to tick for you to be able to see it. So then you move this very close. So this is the line. This is what we are working with, the down line. Once it goes down, we'll be clicking on purchase. Once it moves down, we'll click on purchase. So we're going for trade number 1, and that's what we are starting with right there. You can see it's going up, this down line. Remember, we're working with this parallel straight line, down line. You can see the movement is a bit sluggish. So once it goes down, we'll click on purchase. So we're going for the trade number 1. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels for more upcoming strategy. And we would like to wish all our subscribers, traders, aspiring traders, Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance. So you can see the line is right up, so we have to wait for it to go down. We have to wait for it to go down. It's going down. So this is what we are starting with. Okay, 742. Have to wait for it to go down. It's going down. Stop again. It's down. Click on purchase. So as you can see, we won the first trade. We go for the second trade. Go for the second trade right now. So we have to wait for this line. This is a linear weighted moving average indicator. This is the line. So we have to wait for it to go right down before we click on purchase. So you have to watch closely. You have to wait. So the line is right up, so we have to wait for it to go down. The movement is a bit sluggish, but it's coming down gradually. We are working with this line. Remember, we're working with this line. Back and forth. It's coming down. It's coming down. Down. So we already won the second trade, so we are going for the third trade. So we'll close this, we'll wait for it to go down again. It's going down. It's back up again. It's going up. The line is up, it's coming down gradually. It's down. It's down. Click on purchase. We already won that trade, so you can see. So that's the third trade. Sorry. So we are going for the fourth trade. So we have to watch the line again, the down line. straight linear weighted moving average indicator. That's the line. So I have to wait for it to go right down. It's going down. It's down. Click on purchase right there. You already won that trade. So that's the 4th trade. We're going for the 5th trade. After this we'll go for the last trade. So wait for this line to go right down again. It's down a bit. It's down. As you can see, we won the 5th trade. This strategy is 100% guaranteed. If you watch very carefully, watch the indicator carefully. So we're going for the last trade for this section. Going for the last trade for this section. So after this, we'll see what we made in about 9 minutes or so. We have to wait for the line to go down. We're working with this linear line, this straight line. We have to wait for it to go right down. It's going down. We're working with this line, this straight line. You can see it's back up again. You have to wait for it to go right down. It's back and forth, so we have to be patient. We have to wait. We have to wait for the line to go down. This line is straight, not this one. It's a linear moving weighted average indicator. It's going down, it's coming down, it's coming down. It's coming down. It's down. So that's the last trade. So let's wait for the outcome of the last trade. We already won the last trade. You can see the strategy is 100% guaranteed. So that's the final trade for this section. So, and this will be the last video for 2019. Thank you all for watching. So let's quickly do the math and see what we made in about 10 minutes or thereabout. So we have 66833.02 minus is what we started with, 6674259. 66742.59. So we make $90.43 in about 10 minutes. That's good. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.